Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix power management tab missing in Windows 10 and 11. So as very easy if you want to fix power management tab missing in Windows 10 and 11. So firstly click on start, type here REGE, click on registry editor. After click on system, after click on current control set, click on control. Click on power. After guys click on right click and anyway after click on new, click on key and type here SC enable, right double click and value data 0, click on OK. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to fix power management tab missing in Windows 10 and 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.